Hello, my name's Keith, welcome to ShedTV. This is the third and final part of the Series 3 Land Rover series. Unfortunately, it's come to an untimely end. I was hoping that this part was going to be a continuation of the repairs to the front panel. It's not going to be. Funnily enough, it wouldn't have been anyway, because having extracted the Land Rover from where it was right in the back of the shed over there, I discovered this front panel is actually completely sound. So what on earth I was thinking of, I don't know. However, there's still some useful knowledge gained about rust removal and etc. As far as I was concerned anyway, with that other old front panel. But the second big blow, and the reason why this is the third part and final part, is that this shed, this barn I should say, which belongs to my mate who lives in the house, which is, well, you can't see from where you are, but just behind the camera, there's a cottage at the end there. This barn is going to be no longer available to me. I've been here for 12 years now, and to be fair, he did say to me that his plans were probably going to be for about 10 years. So no complaints, and he's been very good to let me use this space for all those years. He's now selling up and going on a new adventure, and I've had to clear out the barn, which has been no mean feat actually. It's taken me about 6 weeks on in between going to work and doing all the other things that I have to do. And if you've seen any of my other recent videos, you might have seen me trying to cram all the bits and pieces into my single garage at home. Quite a lot of the stuff I've got rid of, given to friends, thrown away, thrown on a scrap heap, you name it. So that really leaves the Series 3 Land Rover, and it's sitting there behind me. It's not going to be there for very much longer. At 8 o'clock this evening, it's the 1st of November today, it goes on eBay, and it's going to be listed with no reserve. Starting price 1 pence, so whatever it makes is whatever it makes, and it'll be gone in 10 days. That auction finishes on the 11th of November at 8 o'clock. So if you're interested in buying it, along with a whole load of other spare parts that I have from the Land Rover itself and some additional ones, then follow the link at the bottom of the screen here to a video that I made which details everything that it's necessary to know about the Land Rover and the parts that are for sale. If you want a sneak preview of that, here it is, speeded up 10 times, so it's just under 2 minutes long. Here it goes. The only reason I'm laughing is that I know I'm standing where I was before I clicked my fingers, but having played that back last night, it didn't make me laugh. Hope you enjoyed that. Have a look at the full length version anyway. As well as that, I've got quite a few other bits and pieces here in the shed which may be of interest to you for sale. They're also going to start on eBay this evening, and if you click on my other items for sale on eBay, you can see what they are. Thanks for following this very shortened series of videos. I was hoping that wouldn't be the case, but these things happen. My attempts to find somewhere else to put this and to work on it have completely fallen flat, and if I put it outside my house, then I'll end up divorced, and that wouldn't be a good thing, because my wife earns more than I do, and no, that's not why. I would though it's true, I'd end up out on the ear, I expect. So there it is. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll see you again in another ShedTV glittering production. Cheers, bye bye.